So in this Webull tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to withdraw money from your account on the Webull Canada application. So the first thing you have to do is open up the Webull application. Once that is done, I want you to go to the bottom and press on the deposit button located between watch list and markets. Press on deposit. Once you're here at the top, it says assets, orders, transfers, history, and documents. I want you to go ahead and press right in the middle on the transfers button. Once you're here, go a couple different options down to where it says withdraw. Press on that. And now you can withdraw your Canadian currency or US currency. So since we are in Canada, I'll be pressing on CAD. Then two different options here, e-transfer or EFT. I'll just go ahead and press on e-transfer for this demonstration. So once you're here, what you can actually do is actually connect your bank. So select whatever bank you're looking for. So for example, if you're with BMO, press on BMO, press on accept and continue, press on your BMO account, press on continue, and then sign into your account this way, or whatever bank you're with, it works the exact same way. So super simple, super straightforward, but this is how to withdraw money from your account on the Webull Canada application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.